This is the Scalables Daisy Peri P, the precision peristaltic pump. The Peri P comes with 2 cartridges. To remove a cartridge, press on the lock arm on the side to allow the cartridge to be released. Next, on the other side, rotate the cartridge to remove the hook from the bar. The Peri P is compatible with silicone tubing or the more durable PharmMed VPT. Insert the tubing between 2 stoppers into the cartridge. There are 3 stoppers on the tubing. When the first segment becomes too stretched, simply switch to the next segment. This doubles the lifetime of the tubing. Hook the one side of the cartridge around the bar and press in on the other side. There will be a click. Next, engage the pressure lever. Tighten or loosen the pressure by adjusting the pressure knob on the lever. Next, connect the Daisy to power. Plug the power supply into the Daisy. Then plug the data cable into the micro USB port on the Daisy, and the other end into a computer. On a computer, open the Daisy controller software. Click the Instrument Refresh button. The instrument list shows which group and index the Daisy occupies. The right panel shows the parameters you can control, like flow rate and total volume to dispense. As an example, tubing installed here has a 1.14 mm ID with a 2.86 mm OD, which autofills the predicted calibration to 3.9 mils per minute at 60 RPM. Pump direction can be switched between clockwise and counterclockwise. Prepare the peristaltic pump by priming the tubing. Set the flow rate to 6 mils per minute and the volume to 2 mils. Click Run. This fills the line with liquid and purges any trapped air. Then run the pump until liquid flows steadily from the outlet. To calculate a calibration value on a scale, pair a collection vessel. Next, open the assay script, Peri P calibration 60 RPM. The pump runs at the calibration speed with a large placeholder so the pump will run continuously for the set time. After 60 seconds, the pump stops. Then weigh the collection vessel with the liquid dispensed. Here we collected 4.04 grams of liquid. Measuring the volume dispensed in 60 seconds gives the calibration value in mils per minute at 60 RPM, depending on the density of the liquid. After using the Peri P, it is good practice to clean the tubing by using water. After a rinse cycle with water, remove the inlet tubing from any liquid and run the pump to help dry the tubing by pumping air.